this is the interface for the scanner. Basically, we're just going to start at the left-hand side and work our way around. So, this will be green or red. Green if it's good, red if it's bad. It'll tell you why, if it's a surface defect or not. The import is just information we get from Erdman, so you don't have to worry about that. Job ID is an identifier that we have for each piece of glass. If you have something that goes wrong with the scan, you can give us a job ID, we can look it up. Do it within 3 days though, because it deletes the scans after 3 days. Scan ID, you don't have to worry about timestamp, that's when it was scanned. Over here, where it says Gentek Initial, is your quality settings. It's currently being used. If you click on it, it does bring a drop down, but there's no other options in it, that's all you're going to see. Clean this right here, tells you whether the scanner is clean or not. If you click on it, it'll show you which sensor needs to be cleaned, and it'll turn yellow or red. You press start cleaning, and that will stop the scanner from scanning. And when you're done, just make sure you turn it off because it won't scan anymore. Over here is the system status and the serial number. System status, if you click on that, it'll show you all the components to the scanner and that they're all on. As long as they're all green, you're good. If the line scanner one is blue, it just means it's actively scanning right now. If it turns yellow or red, then something's wrong, you need to look into it. You can also start cleaning from here. You can go to the desktop from here, or you can close it from here. If you close it, it will come back up after a couple seconds. Admins where all the settings are. This list right here is all your pieces of glass and how many defects are on them. This button down here, the star, is your quality settings, where you can pick it. Click on that, it's going to show you your options, give you a drop down, and you just press the check mark when you have the right one. If you press this button here, that button will clear out all the scans that are down here. So you can do that at the beginning of the day, or otherwise just leave it. This button will take you to the history. It kind of looks like a clock. And if you open the history, it won't show you any new scans. So if you're wondering why you're not getting any new scans, it's because you're in the history. It will keep scanning in the background, so it won't affect your event. When you're done, just press close, and it'll close the history. So this button over here is the download button. If you press that, it'll save the scan. You put it in a folder, we can pick it up. This button right here is if you zoom in really far, you don't want to zoom back out, you can press that and it'll take you right back to the best fit. And this button will show you the raw scan. Very detailed, you probably don't need to look at that very often.